Hey folks, in this video we're going to talk about how do you make six figures as a roofing salesperson doing storm damage roofing sales. And the answer is complicated and it doesn't come down to just one thing, but I'm going to get into all those things right after I introduce myself. My name is Adam File. I am the creator of Six Figure Roofing Salesman. I'm a coach and consultant helping roofing salespeople, sales teams, and managers get to the income levels they deserve through ethical and transparent selling methods. Now, in this video, we're talking about how to get to six figures as a roofing salesman. And there's a lot that goes into that. It is not just being a good salesman, but it's also a numbers game. We used to say at one of our companies that the magic formula was 30 doors a day. Anytime you could knock 30 doors a day, some days you won't get to it, but anytime you could, knock 30 doors a day, 6 days a week, and you would make six figures. And it seemed to work. The thing is that you have to make sure that you're canvassing in one small area, so that has something to do with it. Then also you want to make sure that you're looking in an area that has good damage. That's going to have a lot to do with it. So if you find a high damage area, stick to a small area and try to knock as many doors a day as you can. Specifically 30 was the number we came up with. Then you should get to that six-figure income goal. Now this also depends on what your company pays you. I mean, if you're at a really crappy pay structure, then you might not be able to get to six figures, so you need to make sure that you're getting paid what you're worth. A lot of companies like to do a straight commission of 10%, which is okay if they're going to give you some help on finding leads or help you sell more. But if not, then I would want more than that. I know at our company, we start people out at 40% profit share, which is a good pay grade, and you can make six figures easily like that. So basically, you want to make sure you're sticking to that small area. You're able to go door to door to door to door. You're not bouncing all over the place, and then you're finding areas that have good damage. And then also the time of day makes a difference. I like to knock in the afternoons when a lot of people are home. Now, you don't have to do this. I've also had a boss that only knocked from 9 to 5 every day, and he made six figures. In the afternoons, I find that people are home after 3 o'clock. 3 to 5 is when everyone gets home from work. That's a great time to canvas. Saturday mornings are a great time to canvas. And I'll link to another video that talks about canvassing times that I put out. But, finding those times when people are home and follow up with people. Always follow up. Don't let these things fall through the cracks. If you're working with a customer, don't forget about them. Make sure you follow up. If you stick to those things and you try to knock 30 doors a day, not every day, because you will have adjuster appointments. You'll have homeowner meetings where you have to go meet to sign a contract or pick up a check. There'll be things that interrupt your 30 doors a day, but try to get to 30 a day. And if you do that, you should get to six figures. All right. If you guys are getting value from these videos, please like and subscribe. Also, I'm still working on my six-figure roofing sales course, which is an in-depth, beginning to end training on how to become a storm damage roof salesman. It will teach you everything you need to know. I'm going to be giving away 5 copies of that for free. If you're interested, subscribe and like. Also, if you leave a comment, I will respond to it. That's a promise. Try me out. Leave a comment in the comment section, and I will respond to that comment 100%. So until next time, guys, just remember you don't have to mislead to get leads. Keep it honest and have fun.